In this video, how to return online purchases at a Walmart store, easy steps. I will show you step by step how to return an online Walmart purchase at a physical store. First, open the Walmart app or go to the Walmart website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the purchase history section. Now find the order that contains the item you want to return. Click the order to view the purchase details. Look for the option called Start a Return. Select the reason for returning the item. Choose the option to return the product at a store location. After that, Walmart may generate a return code or QR code. Save the code on your phone or take a screenshot. Next, go to a physical Walmart store. Bring the item you want to return along with the return code. At the customer service desk, show the code or provide the order number. The employee will check the product and process the return. After confirmation, the refund will be sent to the original payment method. The refund time may vary depending on the payment method used. This is how you can easily return online purchases at a Walmart store.